Alright guys, hello and welcome to my last video from Vietnam. You see, I've finally adapted to the Vietnamese style of protecting against the sun. I'm here in a town near the border of Cambodia. I'm teaching at the English school right now, so I'm helping just a bit. And I found this very nice hat in the English school, so I'm just using it. And you see, I'm in a very local area of the town where I'm staying, so the town in general is not that big. But here it's very special because you see over there's a river. People in here are living on stilt houses, so on this side of the street and also on this side. But still the houses look very cozy. And yeah, the river is a branch of the Mekong River. And here all the people are just like living their life. Xin chào. So now you see how friendly the people here in Vietnam are. I was just invited to sit here, drinking a cha da, so an iced tea. It's his home. And you see, the houses are very cozy, like I said. And that's the way how people are, spending their time, playing some kind of, cards. Maybe it's a kind of mahjong, but just with cards. So alright guys, now I'm in Long Xuyen, which is just a bit down the Mekong from Hong Mu, where I've been a few days ago. And in Long Xuyen there's the floating market. There are lots of floating markets in the Mekong Delta, but Long Xuyen especially is not as crowded as the other ones. So I came here because I wanted to have a unique experience. And yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning, very early. This is the boat we will take. And yeah, actually the market is from 5 AM to 6 PM, which is quite late for floating markets. Most of them are starting between 3 and 4 AM and just run until 10 AM. But still, we came here very early to see the sunset too. So here you can see a part of the market. So you see there are many boats tied up together, which are like small islands then. And people are also living on those boats. So it's their market stand and also their home. So alright guys, today is my last day in Vietnam, in Ho-Chi-Minh City. And actually, I think there's not that much to see here in Ho-Chi-Minh City. Yeah, so you see here I'm in a very local neighborhood, quite far from the center actually. If you have any questions or any comments, write them down below. Remember to subscribe, maybe hit the like button, and then see you in Thailand. Have a nice day. So alright guys, now I'm finally in Saigon in Ho Chi Minh City, my last stop in Vietnam before I'm heading to Thailand. And you know how much I love markets, so I just wanted to show you one of the biggest markets in Ho Chi Minh City, which is called Tinh Thai Market. It's a very very nice building, very big. And the market is inside and also outside of the market. So now let's just take a look at the market. Alright guys, hello and welcome to Thailand. Right now I'm in Chiang Mai, which is probably the capital of night markets. There's a night market every night, and today on Sunday night it's the biggest night market, and it's spread out all over the central of the city center of Chiang Mai. And what's also very special about this night market is that it's also inside the courtyards of those temples. So it's all the streets and also in the temples. So you see, the market is just packed with people. And it's not even 6:30. So this is the night market. Here's the section where people get massaged. Okay guys, so now we are still in Chiang Rai on the night market. So of course there's a night market here, since in every city in Thailand there is a night market. And I'm here with Ben, and we just got some bugs. So actually those are silkworms. I was just very curious about eating them because I've seen that people are selling those here, and I've seen they are a very good protein source. So maybe let's just try them.
But you have to try two different.
And here we also have some small grasshoppers.
Yep. Let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's good. How you feel?
A bit flowery, like flower, I mean. But they don't have a lot of taste. Okay. But wait, there is a silkworm. I don't want silkworm. I only want grasshopper now. So we've got a grasshopper with a nice piece of scallion. I like those more.
This one?
No.
The last one?
Yeah.
The last one is better, right?
The grasshoppers are better. They don't have that much texture. Okay guys, so now no grasshoppers left anymore. I actually really like them. I would order those again if I want to have a snack. They're very good. They're crispy, salty, like protein chips. So guys, now I'm in Chiang Rai, which is the most northern province in Thailand, and I'm here at the White Temple, which is a temple which is basically just white. Very nice carvings at the building. And yeah, actually the temple is very new, so it was built maybe 20 years ago, so it's a very new temple, but yeah, still very impressive. So now we're entering the temple. You see here it's a bit weird actually. A lot of hands which are crawling out of ground. There are lots of coins. Here's some armed soldiers. Oh, and the closer you get, the more you see the carvings, all the details. Okay, now I will enter the temple. There is unfortunately no photography allowed, so see you in a bit when I go around. Okay, so actually I can tell you, since this temple is a quite modern building, it didn't seem as spiritual as all the other temples. Because, for example, the wall paintings were not just Buddha or something, but there were also Superman, Spider-Man, no joke, Superman, Spider-Man, Kung Fu Panda, then Neo from Matrix, some Star Wars. But still, yeah, this is still the temple. Belongs to the temple. So this is more quite simple architecture, quite modern. Not as luxurious as all the other temples here in Chiang Rai, but still, in simplicity lies the complexity. So this golden pavilion, which is called Ganesha Hall, is actually just a museum exhibition. But yeah, you can see over there, there's a statue of Ganesha, which is not a Buddhist goddess, but a Hinduist. So I think you all know Ganesha, it's the goddess with the elephant head. So here's a more spiritual place. We have here those incenses, and there's a Buddha statue beneath the trees. And here's an artificial waterfall or fountain with some Buddha statues. Here you can see one Buddha statue. But in total, I'd say the whole temple lacks a bit of authenticity. So it was just built for tourists, maybe. And yeah, I haven't seen any monks living in here, because in all the other temples I visited, there were monks walking around. And here I just see lots of tourists. So it seems more to be like a tourist attraction than a real place of spirituality. But still, it looks very nice.